Hello guys. So if you're a content creator on YouTube, you must know the importance of creating high quality content to engage your audience. But what if you do not have any professional voiceover to record your video's narration? Well, you don't have to worry about that, because that is exactly when the text-to-speech software comes in handy. So what you can do with text-to-speech software is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. Stay tuned to find what are those softwares and which one works best for you. So the first one is Natural Reader. This one is good for both home and work use, and it offers a variety of voices. And you can also customize speed, volume and pitch of the voice as well to make it sound just the way you want. Number 2 is Balapurga. This one is a free text-to-speech software, and it also offers variety of voices that you can choose from. It also gives you the option of customizing speed, volume and pitch of the voices and make it sound just the way you want. Number 3 is Murph AI. If you're looking for a software that generates human sounding voices, then this one is a good pick for you. It uses artificial intelligence to create and make the voices that sound just like human. So the next software is Google Text-to-Speech. If you're looking for something free and easy to use, then this one is a good choice for you. Google Text-to-Speech software offers variety of voices and languages as well that you can pick from, and it also gives you the option of customizing pitch, volume and speed of those voices. It's also easy to integrate into other softwares and other applications as well. Number 5, Amazon Poly. This one is also among the popular choices and also offers variety of voices that you can pick from and produce a lifelike voices. You can also create and customize the sounds the way you want it to be. Remember, whenever you're choosing a text-to-speech software for yourself, it is very important to keep in mind 3 factors. Number 1, the voice quality should be good. Number 2, there should be multiple customization options. And number 3, it should be easy to use. So you should remember to keep experimenting and trying different text-to-speech softwares and see which one of them works best for you. That's it for today, guys. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and check out our more content as well. If you have got any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment sections below. We would love to hear from you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.